welcome back again to JMC Garage, and as you people know, I keep providing you people with variety of automobile content. So today what we are gonna do is that we are gonna convert the trunk of this vehicle into a Pakistani Truck Art style. So you can see this is a 82 model Hilux. We have restored it, and you can see from the front it looks very beautiful. The front has also been restored and modified into a Pakistani traditional way, and now you can see the trunk has been painted black, and it is also made in the traditional Pakistani way. And what we are gonna do now is that today we are gonna do some truck art on it. So the guy that you are seeing here is the artist, and we are gonna perform some truck art on this vehicle, and it will look really cool. It looks really simple now, but after the truck art you will be surprised how it looks. So be with me and let's see how the man does it. Finally we have completed it up, and let me show you around. So here you go viewers, this is how it looks now. So this is the Pakistani traditional style truck art, which is very popular all around the world and is also popular in Pakistan as well. So you can see we have got it painted. We have a heart here, we have drawn a peacock here and some other art as well. You can see we have written something on the back. So I will show you the other side as well. So here you go viewers. So what do you guys think? Does it look better than before or it look worse? So in my opinion it looks a lot better, and the people in Pakistan also like the trucks. Like a lot of decoration and this kind of stuff is very popular in Pakistan and the people like it here, so that's why we did it like this, so it will be easier to sell and it is also a very great experience. So hope you guys like it.